Drones are changing the way we see the world, and with artificial intelligence, AI, they are becoming smarter than ever. AI-powered drones can fly on their own, make quick decisions, and perform complex tasks without human control. From delivering packages to monitoring crops and even helping in rescue missions, these drones are shaping the future of technology. In this video, we explore how AI drones are revolutionizing different industries and what is the future of autonomous innovation. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. The rise of AI-integrated drones. Drones were once simple remote-controlled gadgets, but today, with AI at the helm, they've evolved into highly sophisticated autonomous machines. AI allows drones to process massive amounts of data in real time, making instant decisions without human input. One of the biggest advantages of AI integration is real-time adaptability. Unlike traditional drones, which require constant control, AI-powered models can assess their surroundings and make split-second adjustments. Whether they're navigating dense urban landscapes or responding to unexpected weather changes, these drones operate with unparalleled efficiency. Moreover, AI-driven drones are playing a vital role in data collection and analysis. Industries like agriculture, construction, and disaster management are leveraging drone intelligence to gather insights that were once difficult or even impossible to obtain. AI can analyze images and sensor data on the fly, providing actionable information faster than ever before. AI swarming, the next frontier. A single AI-powered drone is impressive, but what happens when hundreds of them work together? That's where AI swarming technology comes in. Swarm drones operate like flocks of birds or schools of fish, communicating in real time and coordinating their actions autonomously. This is a game changer in multiple industries. In agriculture, swarming drones can scan large farmlands simultaneously, identifying issues like pest infestations or water shortages in record time. In search and rescue missions, drone swarms can cover vast areas more efficiently than human teams, increasing the chances of finding survivors in disaster-stricken regions. Military and security applications are also exploring the potential of drone swarms. Coordinated drone attacks, surveillance missions, and autonomous defense systems are being developed, raising ethical concerns about the role of AI in warfare. While the benefits are undeniable, questions remain about how such technology should be controlled to prevent misuse. Transforming industries with AI drones. The impact of AI-powered drones isn't limited to a single field. Across various industries, businesses are finding innovative ways to integrate drone intelligence into their operations. In logistics, major corporations are testing AI-driven drones for last-mile deliveries. Instead of relying on traditional courier services, drones equipped with advanced navigation systems can transport goods straight to customers' doorsteps. This is especially useful in remote areas where road networks are underdeveloped. Construction companies are also adopting AI drones to enhance site inspections. These drones can map out construction progress, identify potential safety hazards, and provide detailed reports without requiring human surveyors to be on site. This not only speeds up project timelines, but also minimizes risks for workers. Even the entertainment industry is harnessing AI drones for creative purposes. From shooting high-quality aerial footage to performing synchronized light shows, these drones are pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling, ethical dilemmas, and privacy concerns. As AI drones become more advanced, ethical debates surrounding their use are gaining traction. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. With drones capable of capturing high-resolution images and videos from the sky, the potential for unauthorized surveillance is a serious issue. Governments and regulatory bodies are scrambling to establish laws that balance technological advancement with personal privacy rights. There's also the matter of security. If AI drones fall into the wrong hands, they could be used for malicious activities such as unauthorized spying, smuggling, or even attacks. Ensuring that drones are equipped with proper security measures, including encrypted communication and access restrictions, is crucial to preventing misuse. Moreover, the rise of autonomous drones raises questions about accountability. If an AI drone makes an error, such as delivering medical supplies to the wrong location or causing property damage, who is responsible? The manufacturer, the programmer, or the operator? These are complex legal and ethical challenges that need to be addressed as AI drones become more mainstream. The future of AI drones. What lies ahead? Despite the challenges, the future of AI drones is incredibly promising. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect drones to become even more intelligent, efficient, and versatile. One exciting prospect is the development of self-learning drones. Through machine learning algorithms, drones could continuously improve their performance based on past experiences. This would make them more reliable in critical missions, such as disaster response, medical deliveries, and environmental monitoring. Another major area of growth is human-drone collaboration. Rather than replacing human workers, AI drones will likely serve as powerful assistants, handling dangerous or repetitive tasks while humans focus on strategic decision-making. Regulations will play a crucial role in shaping the trajectory of AI drones. Governments worldwide will need to establish standardized policies that encourage innovation while addressing security and privacy concerns. Striking the right balance will determine how seamlessly AI drones integrate into society. Ultimately, AI drones represent a transformative leap in autonomous technology. Their ability to operate independently, analyze vast amounts of data, and execute complex tasks makes them indispensable across multiple sectors. While there are challenges to overcome, one thing is certain: the age of AI. What do you think is the most exciting or concerning aspect of AI-powered drones? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.